Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well. I bring you a series of calculus practicals, right from solving a problem till program implementation. In this video, we are going to see how the derivative functions can be implemented in Python. So for that, I will take a problem first for you all, and then we need to install the supporting module, that is SymPy, which is known for symbolic mathematics. So we will install the SymPy first and then we can start with our program. Hope you are going to like it, and I am hoping that you are going to do the implementation as well. If you like the video, please click on the like button, share and subscribe my channel. So let's begin. Hello students. Let's look at derivative function. So you would have came across this function that f prime of x, or you can say f dash of x, is equal to limit h tends to 0 when f of x plus h minus f of x the whole upon h. So this is actually called as a derivative of the function f with respect to x, right? So let's see an example quickly. So here the question is f of x equal x cube minus x. अगर इसके डेरिवेटिव की हम बात करें तो हमें पता है कि इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी व्हाट 3x square minus 1. But before learning the formulas of the derivatives and all, we actually started with using this particular formula itself in the 12th standard to find the derivative, right? So we started with this particular formula, which is a derivative function. So let's evaluate f dash of x. तो यहाँ पे मैंने formula लिख दिया है. Now the function is f of x plus h. So I write x plus h the whole cube minus x plus h. I've written like this. Then it is f of x, which is actually x cube minus x. So written x cube minus x the whole upon h. Formula को expand करके x cube plus 3x square h plus 3x h square plus h cube मिला, and then just opening the brackets and changing the sign. उसके बाद ये x cube cancel हो गया, x cancel हो गया. Whatever was the remaining term, I have written it the whole upon h, right? Now it is divide by h, so I just separate the limits and divide each of the terms by h. तो हमें क्या मिल रहा है कि 3x square plus 3xh plus h square minus 1. Now if I apply the limits to this, the answer I get is 3x square minus 1. So to install SymPy, you have to first open your command prompt. Here what you can do is you write cd and then paste the path of the scripts folder. It will be there in your Python folder. Wherever Python is installed, there you are going to have a script folder. Please copy the path from it and then you have to paste it over here. Once done, press enter. So your directory will be changed to the scripts folder. Okay? Now what command you have to give is pip install SymPy and press enter. Because of this, the SymPy module is going to be installed on your system, and then you can work with symbolic mathematics. It's taking time. As you can see, it is downloading. It is going to take some time, but after showing some warnings, it is going to just get installed. So here the work of installing the SymPy is done. Let's look at the coding. So we have installed SymPy module. Now I make use of it. I write from SymPy import star. Yes. So I write from SymPy import star. Then as x and h are going to be the variables involved, I make use of symbols function over here. Symbols x and symbols h. So that tells that x and h are going to be the variables. I have taken an expression x cube Okay, so x cube ka the derivative that is going to come is going to be 3x square. That we all know, right? So I have taken the expression and printed it. Now I want to compute the answer. So accordingly, I am writing the formula now. I am declaring a variable a, x plus h raised to 3 minus x raised to 3 the whole upon h. This is going to be the expression where the limit h tends to 0 is going to be evaluated. बराबर. So यहाँ पे मैंने एक limit underscore expression expr लिखा है. Now I want to evaluate the limit. So how do I write? I make use of limit function because that is available in our SymPy module. Okay, so that was the reason why we needed to import SymPy. So limit, the expression is a and the tending variable is h and it tends to 0. Okay, so because of this thing the limit would be evaluated. Then I write the answer as limit of the expression tends to 0. I just format the limit expression and again I would write the derivative of the function is limit expr. So it is going to give me the answer. Simple है, देखो x and h are the variables involved. So उसको symbols के अंदर लिख दो. एक्सप्रेशन जो भी आपका होगा एक्सप्रेशन में लिखो, प्रिंट कर लो एक्सप्रेशन को. ये जो वे है ना a वाला, ये एक्सप्रेशन को आपको ध्यान से लिखना है और फिर आप लिमिट का फंक्शन यूज करके इवैल्यूएट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, अब मैंने यहीं पे एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी लिया जो हमने सॉल्व किया था. ठीक है, तो वो था x क्यूब माइनस एक्स. तो इसका डेरिवेटिव भी हमें पता है कि इट इज 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 1. नाउ हाउ टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन, राइट. सो एक्सप्रेशन लिखा, प्रिंट कर दिया. अभी ये जो है ना इसको लिखना है. आप फॉर्मूला लिखने के बाद तुरंत बाद जो स्टेप लिखते हो ना उसको आपको ए में लिखना है, राइट. तो वही एक्सप्रेशन एक्चुअली इवैल्यूएट होगा. तो जैसे हमने ये लिखा ना x प्लस एच द होल क्यूब माइनस एक्स प्लस एच, यस, माइनस एक्स क्यूब माइनस एक्स. सो यही इसी को हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे. देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है x प्लस एच रेज टू 3 माइनस एक्स प्लस एच माइनस एक्स क्यूब माइनस एक्स. ठीक है, तो ये प्रॉपर यूज ऑफ ब्रैकेट्स वगैरह यूज करो आप और एक्सप्रेशन लिख दो. अपॉन h लिख दिया. ठीक है, अब इवैल्यूएट करना है ना लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0. सो एक्सप्रेशन है a, h टेंडिंग वेरिएबल है एंड इट्स टेंड्स टू 0. सो आई राइट लिमिट ऑफ द एक्सप्रेशन टेंड्स टू 0. So you can just use a format function and write this, and again I can print that the derivative of the function is going to be limit underscore expr. एक 2-3 steps है and in Python you can get the derivative of a function. Okay, so that was a derivative function using limits वाला formula to get the derivative, right? So अब हम इसे run करके देखते हैं. So when I run this, सी द आंसर एक्स क्यूब जो है एक्सप्रेशन है उसका लिमिट आप इवैल्यूएट करोगे तो 3x स्क्वायर आएगा और वही हमारा डेरिवेटिव भी होता है. तो 3x स्क्वायर जो हमने सॉल्व किया वो क्वेश्चन था x क्यूब माइनस एक्स, तो उसका आंसर आता है 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 1 एंड डेरिवेटिव भी सेम ही है 3x स्क्वायर माइनस 1. इस तरीके से आप डेरिवेटिव फंक्शन के लिए प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो और प्रोग्राम भी इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. और ऐसे वीडियोस के लिए subscribe my channel, subscribe it, like the video, and the most important, share with your friends so that they also can learn how the problems can be implemented to programs.